Hello everyone, this work follows on from the last lesson when we looked at dividing by 10 100 and 1000. This is multiplying by 10 100 1000. So some of the things you're going to see look very similar. So in our previous lessons we were moving towards the right because we were dividing. This time we're going towards the left because we're multiplying. But there are some things which are still very useful. For example, looking at how many zeros are in 10, 100 or 1000 because that tells us how many places to the left we're going to be moving numbers. So be very careful with those. Got a place value grid again, and here I'm asked to multiply 148 by 10. 10 has got 1 0 digit, so it's going to move one place to the left. So I'll just change colours here. My hundreds move to my thousands, my 4 tens move to hundreds, and my 8 units move into the tens. Now I've got nothing here for the units. I can't just leave it as fresh air. So what I do is I put a placeholder in to carry me up to the boundary of the decimal point. So the answer to this problem is in fact 1,480. Jolly good, sure. My next example, I've got 16.4 multiplied by 100. So 16 is 110, 6 ones, and 4 tenths. Never forget the decimal point. Multiplied by 100, so I've got 2 0 digits, so I'm moving two places to the left. So one, twice, once, twice, once, twice. And yet again, I've got some fresh air in my units column. So what I'm going to do here is put in the placeholder to carry me up to the decimal boundary. And the answer to this problem is going to be 1,640. I've only got a couple more examples there because I do trust you'll be able to follow these rules. But sometimes you get problems like this where you need to do a little bit more thinking so you don't get caught out. 86.644. So I've gone to the third decimal place here, thousandths. And it's multiplied by 1,000. 1,000 has got 3 0 digits, so it's going to end up moving to the left 3 places. Now, watch what happens when I move my 8 once, twice, 3 times. It escapes my place value grid, except it hasn't really escaped. It's just moved into the tens of thousands column. It's getting much larger. My 6 units will move once, twice, 3 times. My 6 tenths move once, twice, 3 times. 4 hundredths, 1, 2, 3 times across. And my 4 thousandths, 1, 2, 3 times across. This takes me right up to the decimal boundary. I don't need any placeholders, but I have a much larger number now. 86,644. My next example, this is one where people get caught out. 106.304 multiplied by 100. This is going to be moving to the left 2 places. But a lot of people make daft mistakes with this because they see the 0 digits and they think, well, they're worth nothing. I don't need to keep them. Wrong. Yes, you do. So I take my 100. It's multiplied by 100. So it's moving once, twice. Oh, just like that previous example, it's escaped our place value grid. But not to worry, because I know, I'm a good lad and I listen at school, that's actually tens of thousands. The 0 tens, that 0 digit does move. The 6 units moves across twice. The 3 tenths moves across twice. The 0 hundredth, the digit moves. Put my decimal point where it should be. And the 4 thousandths move across my tenths column. Give me the answer of 10,630.4. Hope this has helped. And don't make mistakes on that last one. It's there to help you avoid silly errors. Thanks for watching. Enjoy doing the work.